You have a customer and they need help. Let's say the hard drives in a grocery warehouse keep failing, and you know it's because of vibrations in a warehouse environment. What would be a possible solution for high failure rates? So how can we solve this issue? You have a customer, they have a grocery warehouse, and hard drives keep failing. So what can we do? Well, the first thing I can think of, just off the top of my head, not even looking at the answers, is hard drives are not great with vibrations because if you know how hard drives work, there's a little platter and it's spinning around. There's a little reader, a little needle, it's reading data. That get messed up, not going to read data very well. So we could isolate that or throw in like a solid state drive. Solid state drives are not prone to failure under large vibrations. That's more of a hard drive thing. So let's see what we got here. Install each computer in a specialized high airflow case. Airflow is not the problem here, so disregard that. Install a more powerful power supply. Also disregard, power is not the issue. And then an anti-static mat under each computer. Computers are not failing due to static, they're failing due to vibration. So the only other possible answer is installing an SSD drive in each computer, because remember, hard drives are prone to failure under a drop. Have you ever seen someone drop a hard drive and then it just not work again? Yeah. SSDs, on the other hand, I have dropped a lot. I have a lot of portable ones. I dropped them because I'm clumsy a bit, and they were totally fine. So I always use SSDs in a grocery warehouse environment where there's a lot of vibrations. You'd want to use an SSD solid state drive over a HDD hard drive or hard disk drive. That's just the solution. I always used SSDs, but hey, that's up to you. Let me know which one you use more in the comments below. Oh, and why.